Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. I would like to start by saying my apologies for not uploading. I am back and I pray that I am consistent. However, let us start ngothando nesithembu. Bazalwane, today I'm very late. I'm sorry. It was a very, very, very hectic day. All right. Can we do uthando nesithembu, right? Can we start the gossip session? And I'm intentionally calling it a gossip session. Ngwabe noMakhumalo had a session where they were talking and discussing indaba zaka Mseleko, which was right because vele bazohlebela bobani ngoba kulo mshado kuyasinda and vele kungcono mabakhuluma bawongakhi bawu-2 or bawu-4, right? Help me hear something. I don't even want to watch all videos talking about uthando nesithembu because I don't want to hear anybody's view before I ask this. Guys, did I hear correctly? Ukuthi the uMangwabe noMakhumalo insinuated ukuthi uMayeni akakhiphanga next while uMseleko was in hospital. And on the first time when uSeleko was admitted, it was as if kubuziwe ukuthi ubani unemalini so that kukwazi ukuthi ba contribute. So ngiqala ningidlulise lapho before siya phambili. Did I hear that one right? All right, we continue with the gossip session. Sorry for that. In the gossip session lebe ikhona ne, was it necessary for uMakhumalo to tell uMangwabe ukuthi kahle kahle uMseleko over and above ukwenza lo msebenzi awenzayo, he's also going to introduce number 5? Was it necessary for uMakhumalo to say that, considering ukuthi uyazi ukuthi uMangwabe noMayeni bathe la number 5 akhona they will not be in the same space? And also she knows ukuthi uMseleko intentionally did not tell uMangwabe because he wants uMangwabe to be there and then abathi bomb. So why uMakhumalo afile inid yokutshela uMangwabe? And also mina guys, I was so happy for ukuthi uMakhumalo uzithulele mntana abantu ngoba sometimes she did things from the heart, but because of Sithembu, there's always a competition with Sithembu. I don't care who says what, but because they are in that setup, everybody wants to shine. And then uMakhumalo noma ayenza into right ngoba ukhulumile kubukeka ngathi uyenza into wrong. Am I wrong? All right. I think this is the last one. uMacele is back. Sikhuluma ngale gossip session. uMacele is back, right? Sharp, all good. uMacele abuyile ke is one ke into engayi-understand. Bathi uGerlings ulwele ukuthi uMseleko aze kwakhe. Agula njalo. Azoyenza umbereko. So ulo umbereko or umuphi? Umbereko lo bekazoyenza uMseleko lapha kwakhe. Njengoba thi ba-insinuate ukuthi uMayeni rather, sorry, uMayeni. Mabathi uMayeni uthi uyazenzisa. uMayeni makathi uMseleko uyazenzisa. Lo mbereko le uMayeni bekafuna uMseleko uyenze umuphi lo? I don't know. But when uMseleko beka kuMacele kule gossip session bathi the girls were supporting each other, they were there for each other. Then wasuka uMseleko wayaka Makhumalo. Same thing. Bamnesa lapho, they came and they alternated. Then kwasuka ke wayaka Mayeni kwastop alternator. Yathi tu kwangabi nomuntu oyayo ngoba uGerlings beyangasahleki. Wapaka ikhwama wabuya kibo. Wabuya emzombe ukuthi i-10 yakhe izoyenzakala. So now you tell me ukuthi le gossip session angeke bafake in trouble lapha, because there are a lot of things that they said in that gossip session, and one of the things that they insinuated in that gossip session ukuthi uMayeni doesn't care about uMseleko. And we all know ukuthi deep down uMayeni cares. Mina I believe so ukuthi otherwise she wouldn't have come back. And I don't believe ukuthi after the statement she said ukuthi mnakekele nina bekazomu-allow ukuthi abuye am-forced amalanga wakho ukuthi ahlale laphayana. Kahle kahle isithembu si-tricky because le ndoda siyayifuna asiyifuni. Le ndoda siyayifuna asiyifuni. But in all honesty, was this gossip session necessary? And when according to how you saw it, was it fruitful or beyenziwa nje?